Assalamu alaikum, everybody. So we had this huge snowstorm. It started to snow Sunday night, which was January 31st, 2021. It snowed into Sunday night into Monday night into today. This morning it's Tuesday, February 2nd, and it's still light snow. We have this crazy blizzard. Look at the ponds. I hope my fish can survive this. Look at all this snow. We have so much snow. This is ridiculous. I absolutely hate it. All this cleaning, all this snow. Look at that. So much snow. Look at the ponds. Oh my God. And it's still snowing. I hope the snow melts fast because I hate dealing with snow. All right, my friends. Thank you guys so much. Please pray for us. Till next time, take care. Bye.